My name's Craig Miller. I'm Managing Director and owner of Dunstan's. Dunstan as a brand has been around for 52 years. It's a trusted brand. Mother bins and chaser bins are our core product, and we manufacture a range of sizes through both those lines. We operate out of two sites, one in Ballarat and also our main facility is in Kerrang, which is a 40 hectare site. Our product is first class. We only use quality materials right throughout the bin, and also our manufacture. We have a range of quality steps through the manufacture of the product as well.
Where we're standing now is the main factory where everything's sort of put together. Your headers are getting bigger, they hold more, and yeah, the chaser bins have got to go around. They can chase a couple of headers at the same time, so yeah, the gear's just getting bigger.
This is a 130 tonne bin. It's got a large 16-inch auger. The auger is also computer balanced on the front, so this bin will unload at 7 to 8 tonne a minute. It has a steel hydraulic roof, lasts longer than a tarp, safer, and it's also easier to operate. So with the combination of the larger auger, the full hydraulic steel roof, and on this particular bin it has a rear steering system as well.
During the off-season this year we've put together a new steering setup, which is a 10 steer bin. So we've got 10 steering axles, 5 on the front and 5 at the rear. We can now turn the bin in and out off the road with hardly even going out of our lanes, and then straight into the paddock with no problem at all. If you are on tight laneways or gates, then the steering is a fabulous option, and moving them around just becomes so much easier. Change the steering of the bin quite dramatically. Turning radius of the bin now is come down to around 11 metres to the inside of the bin, which is a smaller radius than what most curbs are in your local street. It really makes a big difference, and in fact, if I looked at recent sales and when I've mentioned the rear steering option to customers, all of them have taken it up. A big mother bin like a 130 or a 150 is really that intermediary. It's that buffer storage between the headers, the chaser bins and the trucks on the other side. If you've got 150 tonne in there, then you can close the roof at night. If there's a wet weather event coming, close the roof, trucks can still come in the morning and load. And certainly if farmers are moving around little silos, it's a significant step forward. Yeah, so the bins are also fitted with a whole range of other features as standard. If you're working at night, there's LED work lights. Rather than climbing over the top, at the rear we have a rear access manhole. If you're moving between farms or on public roads, the bin also has indicator lights and also a flashing light, oversized signage, fire extinguisher, parking jack, and it also has inspection windows so you can see the level of grain inside. One of the other features that we have is internal flow control shutters, or as some people refer to them as cut-offs, and by that we mean that there's a front half of the bin and there's a rear half, and you can control the flow of grain hydraulically by opening and closing the shutters. One of the pleasing things is that we have high repeat sales, customers who have had the product for a long time, or their parents, their father had it in the preceding generation and they've come back and bought again. They hold their value extremely well, and that's a testament to the product. We sell Australia-wide, so come and see us at all the field days. We go to all the major events, or indeed everyone's welcome to come and visit us at the factory as well.